Hi guys, welcome to another short video. Just chatting about a MOMOTARO jean jacket that we've got in for some work. So the work we've been doing on this one was shortening the sleeves. We've shortened the sleeves by, I think it was just 1.5 inches from memory. So we've put it back with all the thick stitching on there, and then obviously we've lost some of the cuff opening there. So with the rivet on and stuff, obviously it would be very tricky to move that up. So the customer was happy with us just doing it the straightforward way, and then just losing some of the opening there. But it's all gone back with the thick stitch yellow thread on there, so it all looks nice and neat. Just got to remove some of these chalk marks on there before it goes back to the customer in a moment. It's just going in the post back to him shortly. So if you've got any jean jackets and they need any work, we can do this. We can't, there's some things we can't do, some things we can. Obviously tapering the body can be a bit tricky because you've got all the double stitch seams, but it still can be taken in. Sometimes we either dart it, or sometimes these seams can be moved, but obviously it's a bit tricky because it's double stitched. Another one we do when we're repairing them, sometimes the collars go when they get a bit older, so we repair and restore them as well. The collars when they've gone, and obviously the main job we do is doing the shortened sleeves on the cuff. So if you've got any questions about denim, jacket, jean alterations and work, drop me a message. It's michael@thedenimdoctor.co.uk. We offer a postal service all over the world, really. Predominantly our customers are based in the UK, but we do have customers in Europe, and we do get a few from all over the world, America now and again and stuff like that. So if you've got any jean jackets that need any work, drop me a message and I will get back to you. Thanks very much for watching, guys. Really appreciate it. Give it a thumbs up if you like the video, and there you have it, a lovely MOMOTARO jean jacket. All the detail in there. Fantastic. Yeah, take care, guys. Thank you very much for watching. Appreciate it. Thank you.